In California, we have very strict emissions regulations. I knew it would eventually get towards electric equipment. With the advances in technology, it definitely has improved the efficiency. I've been using electric equipment for about 10 years, and the Milwaukee stuff has been keeping up good with commercial landscape. We are in Agoura Hills in Southern California. This is Annandale HOA, which is a project we took on a few months ago. The guys will be focusing on detail work today. A lot of our jobs out here are calling out for electric equipment. We're setting the playbook for other cities, other states to follow suit. With Sperber Landscape Services, all our crews are all electric. We're just trying to get ahead of the curve. This is the first greenfield, ground up, full-scale landscape services. We do everything from turf maintenance to planter bed maintenance, everything and anything to do with landscape. When they're using gas-powered equipment, the fumes can definitely become overwhelming. After a while, the equipment gets older, maybe you don't service it as good as you should. It's gonna take those extra pulls and you just get frustrated from pulling it. It could also lead to injury. Having the electric start is definitely a big benefit in avoiding that. The battery solutions are at the point where you can make a change 100%. They like the weight of the equipment, the maneuverability, good power to them, not having to fill up a gas tank. Charging time has been real fast. Being able to use the battery from one piece of equipment to the other and not having to get a specialty battery for that one definitely is a big advantage. Just about anybody can do the tasks. It's the customer service that separates companies from other companies. Milwaukee is one of the primary electric equipment that our company uses, and a lot of it's based on the customer service that we've done. That's just as important as the quality of the product.